Welcome back, friends and family. It's DeFi channel. My name is Vlad, and we are right now celebrating New Year. So today we're gonna talk about 2025, actually about the results, insights, and this is just my personal opinion about the retail, about gambling, institutionals, manipulations, hacks. In the end, guys, I will disclose my personal portfolio with the P&L for this year. Actually, how much money I made, how much money I lost, and we will check my most painful lessons from 2025. So let's get started. Shortly from the market analytics, actually nothing changed. BTC is sitting on almost the same level as it was from our last digest, and we are in the same dangerous zone as it was in the last cycle here. We are here. Why? Because the 15-week moving average was broken and we could move to 200-week moving average. So everything left the same as it was on our last digest. Then, guys, according to Fear and Greed Index, actually people starting to accept the situation, which is scary. But to be honest, it could be even worse, as we saw from last cycle. Then, according to the timing, we already in the end of the cycle. It's look like this, and if we zoom in, this is the end. But look, I know that. You may say, like, we are on the institutional rails, and personally, me and no one wants to believe that the cycle is coming to the end. Oh, yes. But let's allow those believers explain why actually gold, S&P 500, even silver are pumping up, and the whole stock market beating the cup. We are in crypto doing nothing, just sitting on the same level and even going down. So let them explain. Only one reason, what I could say, it's just ending of the cycle. So as I said, again, you can look just to gold, see what's going on. Whole market are pumping very much right now. So crypto, the only one segment which is stagnating or sitting on the same level. So guys, I actually feel myself like in an outdated game from 2007 and nobody just playing me. But this is normal. This is normal. Why? Because I personally waiting for a big manipulative discount to buy Bitcoin back, and it's totally okay. And guys, actually, right now I don't want to spend much time talking about the crypto analytics. 2025 already ended, and let's make a recap and discuss insights and results from the 2025. So, what are the insights we could talk about? I have two lists. The first one is a positive side, the second one negative side. So let's start from the positive side of last year. First of all, ETF money coming into play. And we all love this chart because we could see that there is more inflows cumulatively than the outflows. Again, I want to say that all of those institutional investors, they do have sell button too, and they could push it. Basically, they are even more rational than we are, because we are could believe in some kind of shitty project or shitty altcoin. They are not. They are just doing their job to make money. This is it. Then what I want to say, US accepted crypto. Couple major events. Gensler fired. Investigation closed. President launched the meme coin, and actually USA opened the door for all type of the crypto assets, even tokenized stocks. Just waiting for China. But I don't think China will do this in near future. It's still possible. We still have a chance, but they are not allowing to withdraw capital for their citizenships. So crypto actually fully against the rules only because of this. Because with crypto you could withdraw the funds, and in China, like regular Chinese able to withdraw only 50K per year. So they're unable to withdraw more. And that's basically the reason why crypto is forbidden, because with cryptocurrency they able to do this, and the government just don't want to lose the capital and they want to seed capital inside of the country. So the next one thing, which is very positive, is DeFi proved the values. As for me, it's amazing because I earned a very big part of my portfolio just using lending protocols, and I'm mentioning all of this in my useful templates and portfolio reports on DeFi Capital. But according to all DeFi, you could open the DeFi Llama, then go here and turn on staking, pool 2, borrows, double count, and liquidity staking and vesting. And what we could say that we actually had more TVL on chain than it was in 2022. Why you should check all of those boxes here? Because those time in 2022 there was no DeFi Llama and there was no such boxes. So basically those time all of those metrics was calculated, and right now they are deducting different type of the TVL to do not do the double count, and basically because of this you may see that we are not raised much, but the thing is that as I say, 2022, it was already double counted and including staking, etc., etc. So DeFi actually proved that on the very high level, on first 10 protocols, you could use them very easy and even more safely. Personally, for me, this is very good because, as I said, I earn a lot of money and I've survived even during the time when the Binance and other exchanges crashed. I used lending protocols and I had the leveraged positions and I wasn't liquidated. Why? Because this is a different from the regulated centralized exchanges, and the DeFi is way more safe if you're doing basic things like trading or even some small leverage, because they need to manipulate the whole market, not just the tiny part of the market, especially on the Binance if we're talking about the ETH or if we're talking about the BTC. They need to sell the whole BTC or whole ETH, which will cost them way much than just manipulations on the Binance. So for me, basically, DeFi proved again that it's already established multi-billion dollar market where we are sitting and where we have a different opportunities to earn, different tools to use, which I still learning from day to day. Then I want to say that we do have an achievement of rising to 126k, which is good. You may say like you're not excited, you not feel excited, but basically if someone met you 2 years ago and said to you that the BTC gonna be 126k, well, did you believe them? I think this is a very good achievement. Then we have a new crypto compliance. So what does it mean? And the kind of new regulations are coming. And from the one side, it's bad, but from the other side, it's actually good. Why? Because customers going to be protected more, and we will have much more use cases. Like, for example, you're going to be able to send your crypto to interactive brokers or to eToro and buy directly stocks from crypto. Or again, on the crypto exchange, you already could buy some stocks. This is what brings to you the regulations. It's actually the part of the law where you're able to merge one world with another one just by creating some kind of rules how they could interact. That's why we need more regulations here. Again, I don't believe that in the end we will have a fully regulated market like stock market. We will have some kind of sandbox from the one side and very regulated part from the other side, and some kind of breach. So if you want to do your own DeFi tool, you could start with a sandbox and test it. If it works, you could then spend some money and build a legal structure and get more liquidity, more investor from a regulated part of the crypto, which is not bad, because in the real finance, you just have only the regulated part. You don't have any kind of sandbox to build and test your own financial tools. And in the end, from the positive sides, industry actually maturing. So that's good, and the bad also from the other side. What I could say, it's already impossible to stop it. Basically, those people who tried stopping the crypto, they right now trying to lead it. And this is very big and positive news for us, for all of us, because from this day and the 10 or 20 years ahead, we will see very big adoption in terms of institutionals, in terms of building infrastructure on the crypto technology. And this is very, very nice. Industry is growing. So this is only the positive side of the picture. Let's discuss the negative side of the picture, which is also taking very big place in the whole understanding of what happened in 2025. So first of all, what I want to say, AI are taking the capital from crypto. And actually, we could see this by NVIDIA stock. It's rising rapidly, and we could see that actually AI giving us more and more revolutionary use cases, and it's already institutional graded. What does it mean? So all of those investors, they basically already able to play with the AI stocks comparing to crypto, where they have only the couple ETFs. And AI right now giving way more narrative power than crypto, which is not bad, which is good. Why? Because in crypto, you are studying how to invest, how to save your money. You could use all of those learnings in real finance, and you could buy stocks, you could trade stocks, you could do leverage on stocks, you could do options. That's the same, because we actually in crypto took all of those tools, reimagined it, and built on our blockchain rails. Basically, everything works almost the same. And if you don't using stocks, you're missing so much, because we're still living in the cycles, and stocks living based on the economy, which is way more better, and you always have dozens of opportunities. That's why I want to say that it's necessary to understand how the market in general works and how the economy works. So we could use not only a tiny crypto, which is $3 trillion compared to $130 trillion market in stocks. Then another one, negative part, industry actually eating retail. What does it mean? Very big projects, actually two biggest examples, I could say, multi-billion companies just built on gambling. And please meet on the stage Hyperliquid and Pump Fun. So according to the Hyperliquid, what I would love to show you that this is the chart of cumulative traders PnL, and it's going to 0. They actually deleted this chart from the front end, and you are unable to find it right now. Same as all of those articles about the pump fund, because 99% of the meme coins are scam. And like this is you may say ridiculous, but it's true. It's easy to understand. They made to scam the retail, and the whole platform are made to scam the retail. And people are saying, "Oh my god, this is so bad." Yes and no. From the one side, we are very opportunistic, and even myself jump into the crypto to earn money. But then I accept the values of crypto. I spent years working in different companies, building my own startups, and now I'm using crypto on a daily basis, even without work or any kind of project. I will continue use crypto industry. But in the very beginning, if you're starting and jumping in crypto, there's dozens of projects who will study you for money, just taking your money and explaining to you that almost everything is a scam. But what I want to mention actually, that Hyperliquid and Pump Fun, they are trying to hide this part of the game, that the people losing money. And you could use ChatGPT and you could Google about the scam meme coins on the Pump Fun, and you will find that all of those articles which ChatGPT sending to you, they already doesn't exist basically. Why? Because Pump Fun had the marketing department, which are very strong, and they basically asking the crypto magazines to delete all of those posts, and they cleaning the internet from the articles. So this is it. Then the another one point is that alt season. We actually believed, but there's no way to redistribute the capital. And what we could see that we barely touched the same level as it was on the last cycle, and there is no any rapid growth like it was from 2018 to 2022. Right now, we don't think nothing actually. And there is an explanation why, because basically right now there is thousands and thousands of all of those altcoins, and there is no way to redistribute liquidity from institutionals to those altcoins, because we have just a couple ETFs, and you're unable to some kind of easily transfer your funds from the ETF to your favorite meme coin. This just doesn't work, and I hope it wouldn't work for many years ahead. Then coming back to our negative side, so markets are still manipulative. To prove it, one of the things that just recently there was a news about the Trump family, that they are made hundreds of millions from cryptocurrency after White House election. So what you could do in crypto and avoid jail with compared to the stocks? Of course, yes, inside trading. And this is what everyone is doing. And the market cap is still very small, and we are still very manipulative market. Just compare us to gold. Basically, gold had around $30 trillion market cap, and we have 3, so 10 times difference. A whole crypto industry, and Bitcoin especially, very manipulative for the big institutional investors. Then another one point what I want to talk about is hacks, and this is what we still have on the market right now. We could check a slow mist and find out that this year it was almost $3 billion, even more than 2024. Not the same as 2021, almost $10 billion again, but look how it was. 2022, 5, 2023, 2.4, 2024, 2, and 2025, 3. So we had some kind of spike here, and this is not good, because many investors withdrawing their funds. Look what happened with MEV Capital. They basically lost 90% of their capital. It was $1.4 billion. Right now it's $240 million. And this is actually a very bad sign for all of us, because it means that the people and investors still do not trust crypto, and they are withdrawing money. Then the final point from negative side, what I want to talk about, it's actually right now, this is very hard to enter a crypto market. 4 years ago, you might jump into the airdrop hunting or liquidity farming and get dozens of access. Like you could start from $1,000 and in a year you could have $100,000. Now it's impossible. Basically, you need to have a team and you need to put the team members in different directions to do the research so deep, looking on chain to find at least one alpha and earn money. And from the one side, not good. Why? Because it's very hard to onboard new people and for them to avoid such a soft scams like Happy Liquid and the Pump Fund. But for the other side, it's good because we are already maturing. We have very professional teams and cabals, and we're able to build more innovation, and market is not looking like a baby. We're already, let's say, a teenager. So from my personal point of view, I think it was a very good year, and we had a lot of achievements and unfortunately a lot of problems to fix. Okay, guys, before I will disclose my personal PnL, I would love to say a couple of words about the world economy. So I have only 3 bullet points here. The stock market are overheated, and we could see it here. It rise so much. Why? Because of the AI and all of the directions supported by AI, like semiconductors, etc. So we even could have some kind of AI bubble very soon, and it could blow up, and we may enter in a very dangerous crisis mode. But same time, going to be very big discount on everything on stocks and crypto. Then the US dollar are failing a bit, but not so bad to start the crisis. Gold is rising because people do not believe in the governments, do not believe in the US dollars. And again, as I said, AI seems very promising, but at the same time could be a very big bubble. And I trying to have at least something in cash because US dollar is not so bad. This is the US dollar index. And I think if we will have some kind of crisis, the dollar will have more strength than right now because all of the investors, they starting sell their assets during the crisis. This is the point. So then going back to my personal results here. So guys, I started this year from 100,000 and right now I have 221,000. My total profits was 212k. My total losses was 91k. That's a lot actually. But it is what it is. Right now, I have 100% in stable coins because, as I said, we are in the very dangerous zone right now, science last cycle. And I buying on the 5,000 every month some part of the stocks, dividing into different categories like semiconductors, batteries, defense, and electric vehicles. So everything about my portfolio you could find in a DeFi Capital. There is a portfolio reports here. I showing my losses. I showing my winning strategies, how much I earning passively by deploying capital into different DeFi tools. Everything you could find here, fully explained with the addresses, with the positions, with all of my forecasts. And that's basically the part which I miss so much when I just started learn the crypto. And if someone showed me such a tool, I think my result could be way more better than right now. So going back to lessons which I learned during this year. So first of all, what I want to say, guys, please learn how to invest and build your own portfolio. Stop gambling. It doesn't work. You're just gonna be without the money. Then you need to generate cash flow for your own lifestyle. And if you're starting building your own portfolio, you need to have some kind of savings from your salary. That's okay. And then once you reach at least 100k or 200k, you may think how you could live just on the percentage. And it leads us to the third lesson. Actually, freedom comes when your money works for you. Think about it. Another one point, easy way to jump into crypto right now, it's work. You could find a crypto company and start your journey in crypto by helping some company to grow up. You may understood how everything works. Then please do not follow the retail, start earning on the retail. And the last one thing, options are better than the perpetual futures. So thank you so much and Happy New Year. See you in the next digest. We will talk about the 2026, how to prepare your portfolio for different market scenarios and continue to earn money. See you soon, guys.